Fucking Frankie brought me this swamp. She reckons it's a fucking beautiful, pristine swimming spot.
Lake.
Look at
It's
it.
very beautiful.
It's a fucking swamp. There's fucking Shrek out there. Oh yeah, it's alright. Social ride on tomorrow out at Brunswick. Where are we leaving from? The pub? Brunswick pub. But it's going to do a fairly short loop, probably 150 k's. I'm going to be up front. There's heaps of people coming. Roothy's coming down. It's going to be sick. Then we can go back to the pub, have a few beers and a bit of a chin wag. If you're interested in any of our trips, you can ask some questions, get to know us. Yeah, it's just fun, really. Just we've got a bit of a break in between tours and we need a ride, probably same as you guys. So come and check it out.
Beer time?
Beer time, is it? Check it out. Byron Bay. Looking pretty sweet out there down the point. Look at that. That's the town on the other side. Back beach there. Lighthouse up the top. Pretty sweet little spot, don't mind it. Seems to keep calling me back every now and again. Bit of a second home. We've even got a toothbrush up here now. Coast is clear. Woo! We went through that Hinterland, it's like the last remaining wilderness in Sri Lanka. You know, you'd be like, what the fuck?
Why are you talking about Sri Lanka when you're in Byron? Is it because you just miss it and you just love Sri Lanka?
No, because it's my next trip and I'm getting excited. And I'm excited to be travelling with Roothy. I reckon he's a top bloke and he's going to be super entertaining and great fun to film and share with the world. The bloke's fucking unreal. Love him. Talented, very intelligent bloke. I think us three working together, we're going to be 3 heads are better than 1 or 2. Don't know how we ended up here, but this is my probably 4th or 5th visit.
Yeah.
Keeps drawing me back.
How was the day of Frankie's tours in the afternoon of Byron Bay?
Day was good, bit creepy when the dude in blue overalls and the big fucking button chops come down and followed us and tried to make conversation. He's riding the same bike as I was riding, so we were like buddies.
Anyway, bye.
Very rapey.
Good day. Good day in the Northern Rivers with fun. So we actually had no idea how many people would show up today.
Well, turnout, I reckon there's about 100 bikes here. We'll think about 10 to 20.
Probably going to need some police.
An interesting day.
It's funny.
That's going to be at the front.
I think this is the official Roothy coming on board as a team member, maybe.
I think it might be.
Has he got his uniform on?
Do I look the part?
You look stunning, mate. You look stunning.
T-shirt's a bit tight around the middle.
Oh, is it the t-shirt? Or is it the 4X?
Well, there might have been a couple of 4X involved.
So Roothy's coming to Sri Lanka with us in October. This is probably, I'll call it our formal sort of kick-off, working together just to see how it goes. We've got some flyers and stuff. If you're interested in what we do, come and talk to one of us. There's a few guys here that have just returned from Sri Lanka, Vietnam, other places. So that's what we do. We do a handful of trips every year, and we hope that you guys come. We'll keep doing it as long as you guys keep coming along. So check it out on our website. You probably already have. So jump on the email list and follow us. There's going to be some, particularly when we get to Sri Lanka, we're going to make some cool videos with John and have a lot of fun. So just have fun, guys, and thanks so much for making the effort. Okay.
most reliable bike, and look what happened. Hey, next time I'm going to bring the oldest bike in the shed.
Most reliable.
Oh, it's working.
Working there.
We're back in.
What do you got there, Roothy?
What else have we got going on? We got Sri Lanka coming up in October. One of our favourites, as you know. You've probably checked out our video on Sri Lanka. It's that was a cold patch. And Roothy's coming on that one actually as well. He's going to be fun because we're going to make some. He's got a lot of experience with YouTube and making videos, so he's going to show us the ropes. So anyway, then we're going to Rajasthan. Then we're going to Patagonia. We've got heaps going on, and you know, book a ride with us. We'll be there. Oh, cold patch!